Want to know who is accessing your dashboards in Power BI service? In this video, I'm gonna show to you a simple way that you can generate a complete dashboard when you see all the access of your reports. If you are interested, stay until the end. So today's video will be really quick. I just want to show to you a nice way to view if your report is being used by the final user. So it's very good for the business to know if the development of a dashboard is making sense, right? So how you do that? We're gonna go to one of the reports that I have here in my workspace. I go to this one, Power BI for Labs. I'm gonna go to the report type, gonna click in the dots and go to view usage metrics report. When I click here, it's gonna create a report specifically with the access data of that report. So here my report is blank because it's been a while since I accessed this workspace, but the information, the headers of the information is still here, so it will be easier for me to explain. We have the views per day, the amount of access that this report has per day, unique views. This one, if the same person access more than one time per day, it will show here only one access per person. Total views, total viewers. Here is a rank is calculated by comparing this report against other reports in our organization to see if he is the top 1, top 2, top 3 of access reports inside our organization. Here is the views by user, so we can see by name which person is access this report. We have a few filters here, distribution method to see if the person is accessing the workspace, if the report was shared to her or him, if the contact is inside an app. We can see the platform, if this report is being accessed by mobile or web. And if your report has more than one page, we can see the information of a specific page. Because, for example, we may have a report that has 3 pages and the users are just accessing one. So it could be a business choice to hide or eliminate the other 2 because people aren't using it, right? So that's it for today. Like I told you, it will be a very quick video, but it's a very helpful information. A lot of clients that I work with are asking me for this, so I thought it would be nice for you to know it too. Okay? So what do you think of today's video? Did you like it? It makes sense to you? Let me know all in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any other video. And I see you guys on the next one.